Technology has become an integral part of our lives, but just a small amount of people on the planet actually have the tools, access, or knowledge to create new technology. We're here to change that with CircuitMess STEM Box. Every 3 months, you'll get a brand new STEM box with a unique project based around a certain topic. Autonomous driving, sound synthesis, voice recognition, wireless communication, gaming, and machine learning. These are just some of the topics you'll learn about with STEM Box. Our set of fun electronic kits will help you understand the basics of different technologies everybody's talking about, and join the club of technology wizards, also known as engineers. Hi, my name is Albert. In 2017, I've started CircuitMess with a campaign for Maker Bueno, an educational game console. In 2018, we've launched our second product called Maker Phone, a DIY mobile phone. Since then, we've sold over 15,000 devices to customers all around the world and figured out that they want to learn even more. That's why we decided to create STEM Box, a product that will let you play with technology like Elon Musk. The first project you'll get is called Spencer, and it's a DIY voice assistant, kind of like Amazon Alexa.
Spencer!
He's a small box that can talk, smile, listen, understand, connect to the internet, and do something smart. The cool part is that you get to assemble Spencer yourself. You'll learn about voice recognition, Internet of Things, and AI. But Spencer is just the beginning. Every 3 months you'll get a wonderful new product delivered at your doorstep, like JD, a DJ mix table that will teach you how sound synthesis works. Wheelson, a DIY robot car that will show you how autonomous vehicles work. Byte Boy, a build-it-yourself game console that will explain what video game engineering is. A pair of chatters, our unique messaging devices that will teach you about wireless communication. Clockstar, a machine learning-powered smartwatch, and other equally cool projects. Every STEM box includes a set of custom-made electronics, a quick start booklet, and additional code and learning resources online. Each project you'll get was carefully and thoughtfully developed for the STEM box. All the cool kids are learning by doing, but you don't have to be a child to have fun with STEM Box. If you want to be one of those uncles with the coolest gifts, we've got you covered. Send STEM Box as a gift to that special someone, and they'll get something smart to do every 3 months. We spent more than 1,000 hours of research, development, and testing for every fun project you'll get in your STEM Box. For the past year, we worked on this idea and all the fun hardware and software you'll get in your STEM Box, and we need your help to mass produce the devices, finish the job, and get the word out there. Technology is the future, and we think everybody should understand it. Help us build that future together.